In this demo, we'll see how Acronis Gen AI Protection can help detect and prevent submitting sensitive data to generative AI applications. In this example, Diego, an HR manager, has received an urgent message from Joni. To save time, Diego decides to use ChatGPT to draft a reply. He copies the content of the email into ChatGPT and asks it to generate a response. However, Diego doesn't notice that the message contains sensitive employee information, including dates of birth, social security numbers, phone numbers, and salary details. This information could now be stored or processed outside the organization, potentially leading to privacy violations, compliance issues, or unintended exposure of confidential data. This is exactly the type of situation that Acronis Gen AI Protection is designed to prevent. Let's see how. Let's switch to Acronis Cyber Protect console and configure the Gen AI protection policy for the HR department. We will enable data loss prevention and configure it to block attempts to submit sensitive data to generative AI applications. The updated policy is now saved. Now, let's see how user interaction goes with the Gen AI protection policy assigned to Diego's laptop. Diego copies the content of the same email message and submits it to ChatGPT for drafting a response to Joni. This time, the prompt is blocked by Acronis Gen AI Protection, and Diego receives a warning message explaining that the content contains sensitive data. When Acronis Gen AI Protection detects or blocks sensitive data transfers, it records events of the data loss type in the events log. The Gen AI Protection events log is available in Acronis Cyber Protect console, under the Protection menu. The events log provides information such as the date and time of the event, the device name, customer, application, and action taken. When sensitive data transfer is prevented, the status is shown as blocked. If data loss prevention in Gen AI protection policy is configured to detect only, the status of the event is shown as allowed. With Acronis Gen AI Protection, organizations can safely enable the use of generative AI tools while ensuring that sensitive data remains protected.